Was that when it was raining?
Yeah, that
I
was
wasn't.
raining.
I can't. I wasn't there. Yep, we were talking about that shit. Yeah, I wasn't there. Yeah,
They
yeah,
had the
yep,
whole team out there
Yep.
all night for
Yep.
fucking
I was
filming this
I was
one
in the
scene.
scene.
Niggas raining.
I was in the scene, the protest scene.
I was
so
there.
when
I
they
was
did,
there for the whole. My aunt got me a job for that summer.
oh, that's hard.
So I was there. I worked the whole film.
That's hard. I was on
well, all of Georgia, because they shot in different parts of Georgia.
Yeah,
every shit that was like Metro Atlanta, I got to work on that.
Yeah, that was my school next to Drew Hills. Yeah, you know
Damn,
school.
bro.
Yeah, I was there.